This is our model Jam, and today we're going to be doing this fun creative look using disconnection. Starting in the back, I've taken a horizontal section and I'm cutting a length that is consistent from the centre to behind the ear. Taking diagonal sections that are closer towards the vertical, I leave section number 1 out. Using the horizontal lengths as a guide, my vertical lengths decrease towards the nape. I continue with parallel sections towards the centre back, and the movement of my sections are meeting in the middle, so my lengths horizontally stay consistent. Once the hair has been blow dried, I start with my scissor-over-comb. I'm using the Allilon 105 to remove a lot of the bulk quickly. I've been working in columns around the head, making sure that my scissors and comb move in unison, so that way I don't get any lines within my work. Now I have a basic shape. I'm going to be changing my comb to start to refine my work and detail. Using a combination of clippers and scissors, I'm using a surface cutting technique to seamlessly blend the disconnection into the short scissor-over-comb. Using the points of the scissors, I'm carving out the hairline behind the ear so it blends into the length of disconnection. Using vertical sections, I'm creating a length that overhangs the underneath disconnection. My horizontal lengths are increasing as I'm directing each new section towards the previous one. The area in front of the ear I'm taking down shorter, so this way it will accentuate the cheekbone. I'll be refining this later. To maintain the length on the hairline, I'm taking vertical sections and I'm cutting a length that's shorter internally to longer externally. Taking parallel sections working towards the front, I'm allowing the hair on the hairline to drop away and following my guide. Each new section is being directed backwards towards the previous, so my lengths increase horizontally. Once the hair has been blow dried, I start to refine the area in front of the ear using a scissor-over-comb technique. Detailing the hairline with the points of the scissors, and again utilising a surface cutting technique to refine this area. Through the top, I'm cutting a length that is increasing from the back towards the front. Horizontally, my lengths are also increasing due to the movement of my sections. Once the hair has been blow dried, I cut a soft curved fringe, giving the haircut some playful styling, starting to show off the areas of disconnection, especially that length through the back and the top.
We're going to say like, subscribe,
Like,
share, comment and subscribe.
why don't you come in, show us how it's done, like both of you.
That's a really good
and then
idea.
we'll come back and then we'll replicate.
That is such a good idea.